Now, using the model KK2000, which has a 1 cup, 2 kilogram maximum capacity, let's try processing some silver paste, a typical electroconductive material used in the manufacture of electronic and electrical components. We'll also compare the temperature before and after processing. A special adapter enables the KK2000 to accommodate various manufacturers' paste containers. To minimize any temperature increase, we'll set the revolution level at 5 and the rotation level at 5 and input a time of 120 seconds. Combining revolution and rotation simultaneously performs mixing and deaeration. Processing is performed while keeping the temperature increase within the allowable range.